Yeah, good morning. So this all started off as a police chase in Irving. We're told that Irving police officers worked to initiate a traffic stop for a stolen vehicle. However, the driver of that vehicle took off toward Dallas. The car was traveling at a high rate of speed on I-35 East southbound. It ended up taking the Woodall-Rogers exit ramp here just outside of downtown.
Get off the radio! He just went over, crashed underneath, massive fire. I think this is 35 underneath the flyover.
And because that car was going so fast, it did not slow down. Ultimately, the vehicle vaulted off of that ramp. The car ended up landing on I-35E below near the Dallas North Tollway exit. That's exit 429B on a grassy median. 4 people died, all of them the occupants of that vehicle. Dallas police are here. The sheriff's office is here. Irving police as well as Dallas and Fire and Rescue, they're all responding. We are told one sheriff's office deputy was injured. He was working to lay spike strips down. However, he had just arrived as the crash happened. A light pole ended up falling onto his squad car. He was transported to the hospital with a minor injury to his arm.
That's great that the deputy wasn't seriously injured. I mean, it was just kind of probably a freak thing that the light pole falls down and then you hit a light pole. So it's good that he's got minor injuries.
Main lanes on I-35E southbound are open. Traffic is flowing just fine here. I-35E Woodall-Rogers exit ramp on the southbound side, though, that's blocked off. The Woodall-Rogers exit ramp northbound is also closed. We are told a part of the vehicle ended up landing on that, which is the reason for those lane closures. The Continental Avenue exit is also closed, too. Now, the Irving Police Department is leading this investigation. Dallas County Sheriff's Office are assisting with it as well. We are told that this is going to take at least a few more hours for the sun to come up for this investigation to even start to wrap up. Chip.